right, everybody, hi there. I'm going to do a quick recording on exactly what we can do from within Lofty regarding an open house page. Super easy to create, super easy functionality, and I'm going to walk you through. I've already built one of them out, but I want to show you how really easy it is. So I'm actually in Teresa's account right now. If I go to the listing page, and if I simply go here and I can look on team listings. From here, it's just a matter of finding the home that you want to do open, and we'll just use this one as an example. I'm going to go ahead and pull up that address. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just doing a quick copy. Okay, so I've copied that address, and we already see that there is an open house scheduled, which is kind of cool, but that won't have any impact to it. So now, if I go to the campaigns tab, from campaigns, I want to go into open house forms. You'll see that I've already created one example. One of the things within here is you can create a number of questionnaires. I just restructured it a default questionnaire. Oops, hang on a second. I just structured a default questionnaire. So if we wanted to edit this, and we can have as many fields or as few fields as you need. First name, last name, phone number, email address. Are you contracted with a buyer's agent? You can make these required or optional. Name is required. If it's unchecked, clearly that means it is a required field. So we can remove fields, we can add fields, we can do whatever we want to make this as easy as possible and also to obtain as much information as we might need. But regardless, we're not just using that for now, just to kind of give you an example. So we've got the questionnaire built. So now it's just a matter of going to the open house field. I can dive in here and now I can say add new. So you recall that I created or I copied the address from the previous one. So I just pasted that in. It automatically pulls the information. You can go ahead and select your hero image, right? So whichever one you want to have, let's go ahead and we'll use this one just for an example. Um, so we can set up a welcome email to send to the registered guest. We can have a text message or a message to go out as well. We can also have registered leads as team leads, which is important. That's all handled on the back end with the lead routing piece of it. We're going to leave all those checked for now, just to kind of give you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. So now, oops, I'm sorry, I didn't select my questionnaire. We're going to use our default questionnaire. Right now and we'll just go ahead and share with everybody. That way everybody has access to it. So once I click save, so now I have this new templated open house form. So you can do one of two things. You can either use this at an open house as an agent, or you can provide, it's just a simple web page that opens up. So as an agent could have this open on, let's say, a tablet, and this could be set somewhere convenient. So when people come in, they can log in. If we're using another program, you can have the sellers of the home have this set up as a tablet form, or you could simply, we can create just a very, very simple display piece where the QR code is posted. So we can create just a simple templated flyer, for lack of a better word, that you provide your sellers that they can have up front. So when people come in, and what I would suggest on this is, for the homeowner safety and security, we ask that everybody that comes in registers, right? Super easy to overcome any objection on that. So once they scan that, they will be driven to the form. So if they scan it on their cell phone or if they click fill out locally, they can do it right here. So I am going to Don Tester. My phone number is 954-955-1230. I'm going to go ahead and do Don at 70. Actually, no, we're going to do 954 at gmail.com. I am not working with a buyer's agent. I do need to sell my house, and I need to do now. I'm a now buyer. So once that happens, they just click submit. The great thing about it, next visitor, switch to QR code. Now, if we go back here, here's what's amazing. So we've just entered that information in. When I go here, we should see, voila, there I am. You'll note that this automatically populates in It says exactly what went on. Now, I was already in her system, but it would be the same way for a new lead. I was using this as a tester lead. If this were a new lead, we can, on the back end of the system, coordinate how this is routed. We can also coordinate the messaging that goes out. So you'll notice that the source on this one, it says other, but it would actually come in as an open house form. We would set the source up and a specific smart plan to trigger when that goes, which can do any number of activities: emails, text messages, notifications to remote assistants, notifications to agents. It can cover the entire thing, but this information is automatically captured, telling you everything you need to know. Anyway, I hope that kind of provides you a little bit of information, and I will be available for any questions.